Hey friends, if you wish to reset Windows Spotlight on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. We have a list of commands for you. All you need to do is copy them, search for Notepad in the Windows search bar and open Notepad. Paste it all here. Click on File. Click on Save As. Select a good location to save it. Change the Save As type to All Type. Now type it as fix.bat. Basically, the name can be anything, but the extension should be .bat and the save as type should be all files. Click on this, click on this. Now go to the location and double click on this file. It will play a script and the job will be done. The Windows Spotlight will be reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.